Then the Imam goes on to outline the second. Second benefit is a softness and purity of the heart, by which it is ready to attain the delight of intimate discourse with Allah and to be affected by His remembrance, His dhikr. How many acts of remembrance there are which are done with the tongue and with an attentive heart, while the heart nonetheless fails to find any delight therein and is not affected, to the extent that it were as though a veil existed composed of the heart's hardness. When, however, it is softened due to certain circumstances, it will be affected most powerfully by the remembrance and will take great delight in communing with Him. Usually an empty stomach is the reason for this. One reason for the proven effectiveness of prayer in the last moments before iftar in Ramadan is precisely this. It's the best time to pray. In Sa'at al-Ijaba, one of the times when prayers are answered, because of this abasement of the nafs, detachment from the world. Abu Sulaiman al-Darani, again cited here as saying, worship is sweetest for me when my belly cleaves to my back. So great was his state of hunger.